Following their major success in their first collaboration, Nike has once again teamed up with Korean pop star G-Dragon and his fashion brand Peaceminusone to release a new version of the Nike Air Force One dubbed as Paranoise 2.0. What is good, everybody? Welcome back to our channel here at Life and Soul TV. In today's video, we are going to review the Peaceminusone Nike Air Force One collaboration in the Paranoise 2.0 colorway. Before we actually get into this review, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Getting into this sneaker, here's a look at the Peaceminusone Nike Air Force One in the Paranoise 2.0 colorway. The Nike Air Force One Paranoise 2.0 released on November 25th for a retail price of $200 US, or here in Canada, it's 260 Canadian dollars. The official colorway of the shoe, box label reads Air Force One 07/Paranoise. Colorway is white, black, and white. This Paranoise Air Force One came out very unique. You can customize and create your personalized style and look. This shoe features a white leather upper that peels away to reveal the hidden artwork of G-Dragon. Just like the regular Nike Air Force Ones, you can see perforations on the toe box area. There's also a small white Nike swoosh on the toe box area. The mid-panel area of the shoe features a black Nike swoosh made of tumbled leather. You have that black Nike Air logo embroidered on the ankle area of the shoe. The Peaceminusone Daisy logo is embroidered on the tongue of the shoe. This shoe comes with a thick black laces. Inside the shoe, you can see the Peaceminusone branding and a printed insole. Black painted details can be seen on the midsole, and on the outsole, you can see the same detailing and the Nike Air logo on it. This shoe comes with a white hang tag, and it also reads Artist G-Dragon, title Air Force One Paranoise, Just Do It Nike 1988, and on the bottom it says Peaceminusone. This shoe also comes with an extra pair of white laces and some metal buttons with Peaceminusone and Daisy logos that can be put in the eyelets of the shoe for a more custom look. It does come with a black Nike Air box with some painted detailing on it. The overall look and quality of this shoe looks very good. This sneaker came out with a lot of details and it's a very nice looking shoe. The craftsmanship and execution on their second collaboration is very good. From the white leather upper that peels off, to the black streak marks that can be seen on the midsole and outsole of the shoe, Nike and G-Dragon made sure that each pair will come out unique. This month we're gonna be having our first giveaway, so stay tuned and make sure you guys follow us on Instagram, Life and Soul TV, because we're gonna be posting our giveaway mechanics in there. That is pretty much it for the video, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below if you're able to cop a pair of this Air Force 1 Paranoise 2.0. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel as we have a lot more content coming your way. Once again, this is Life and Soul TV. Enjoy the rest of your day, stay blessed, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.